my name is Mary from Signature ABA, and thank you for joining me at the Behavior Bubble. For the month of February, we will be celebrating Black History Month. And for today, we'll be reading a book called All Because You Matter, written by Tami Charles and illustrated by Bryan Collier. They say that matter is all things that make up the universe: energy, stars, space. If that's the case, then you, dear child, matter. What is matter? Yes, matter is all things that take up the universe. Long before you took your place in this world, you were dreamed of like a knapsack full of wishes, carried on the backs of your ancestors as they carried empires, pyramids, legacies. Building, inventing, working beneath red-hot suns and cold blue moons, thinking of you years ahead, because to them, you always mattered. On the night that you were born, stars sprayed across the sky, each one full of light, hope, love, and all the moments in your life that would matter. Like your first steps, bare feet planted on cold floor, hobbling, wobbling, toppling, only to stand and try again. Or your first words spoken almost like a lullaby, notes climbing a ladder to the sky. Mama, Papa, mahal kita, which means I love you in Tagalog. Or the first time you opened a book, like a mirror staring back at you, and really saw yourself. Same hair, same skin, same dreams. The words and pictures coming together like sweet jam on toast. Musica blasting through barrios, sun and blue sky, all because you matter. But in galaxies far away, it may seem that light does not always reach lonely planets, covered moons, stars unseen, as if matter no longer exists. And just like the moons hidden in the dark, there will be times when you too will question your place in the universe. Like the time you'll hear the teacher call your name, Hosam, Ozuamaka, you're Dennis. And the whispers and giggles begin, followed by, what kind of name is that? Or the time you'll see a letter, big, bold, read on the page, and you will question if you and your work and your effort matter. Or the time when your pop-up turns on the news and you see people everywhere. Take a breath, take a stand, take a knee. And you hear pop-up's whispered prayers as another name is called. Trayvon, Tamir, Philando, and you wonder if they or you will ever matter. But did you know that you do? Did you know that you were born from queens, chiefs, legends? Did you know that you are the earth? The strength, power, beauty lie within you. Did you know that you are sun rays, calm like ocean waves, tough like montañas, magic like stars in space? And on the day the universe was created, you were thought of, dreamed of, carried like a knapsack full of wishes as planets, stars, moons took their places, making room for you, your people, their dreams, your future. All because since the beginning of time, you matter, they mattered, we mattered, and always